Forno Appliances introduces you to the model 6125-36-inch dual fuel range. The white finish harmonizes professional style and durability with antique brass. Continuous cast iron grates ensure even heat. There are 6 burners that range from 20,000 to 9,000 BTU. Includes 1 sealed dual ring burner for high searing or precise simmering. Thick, durable pro-style door handles with a large viewing window. Stainless steel finish ensures reliability for years to come. Easy to operate zinc-coated metal control knobs with bezel rings will last and look great for the life of the range. All knobs also illuminate. Equipped with a night light that provides a unique lighting ambiance. The deep recessed cavity of the black enamel subsurface not only looks great, but is designed to be easy to clean, with no cracks for crud to collect. Contains spills for quick cleanups. The interior stove has a stylish blue enamel color and is 5.36 cubic feet. There are 2 telescopic electroplated adjustable racks with easy grip handles for easy rolling. Tough and enforced stainless steel hinges. There are 2 interior bright oven halogen lights. The electrical oven is equipped with a top outer broiler of 1,800 watts and an inner broiler of 1,000 watts. The bottom hidden element is of 2,000 watts. Interior convectional fan for disperse even heating. Includes a reversible cooking griddle that is also movable. Comes equipped with the iron cast black wok ring holder, sturdy and durable. Includes an air fry rack and basket, and also an oven tray. Includes ELP kit for conversion from natural to propane. We stand behind each appliance we design and manufacture with an industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty. Forno, lowering the cost of living.